This is AFARCO CNC factory. Right now, we're running constantly to a timely progress of orders. This is in a process of producing a feeder. Normally, it will be installed. It will be made out of pieces. Monolithic like this. It's about the same size as the actual product. Then, into the CNC machine and go through the machining process. That's the machining process. Here we are going to spread out the machining process here. Machining on CNC machine. Fully automatic. Then after processing, it will be finished like this. And we'll load through some processing to continue. It's going to be. The product is the frame of that feeder. Well, after going through this process, it's going to go through the process, it's going to be cleaned. Cleaning and making holes to put in that mechanical assembly. The small details here are all CNC machined. That's very shiny. We use industrial machinery with a high precision. This is also a machine that's working. There is also a machine there. In total, this is a CNC machining plant. Well, this is a factory that we run. Should be. It is for the production of a product. This is our feeder. This is the product after processing to A. Waiting to move on to the next stage is to A. Machining this back face. Remove this back face to get the off-front part details. All the machines are in the process of operation. Out of power. It's also a competitive advantage. That's why CNC is cheap. So the products we offer are of high quality. But the price is very reasonable. The number is very much. It is currently processed. Very much. And there's a lot of work pieces waiting to be processed.